In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GIF during Zoom meetings. We'll keep it quick and clear so you can add a little fun or emphasis to your conversations without missing a beat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the chat, find the GIF Picker, choose an animation that fits the moment, and send it confidently. Before we begin, make sure you're already in a Zoom meeting or webinar where chat is available. Hosts can limit chat, so if you don't see the option, it may be disabled for that session. Also, keep your audience in mind. GIFs are great for team huddles and casual moments, but they should still be appropriate for your organization and the context of the discussion. Start by opening the chat panel. On the meeting toolbar, click Chat to bring up the chat window on the side of your screen. Take a second to glance at the recipient field at the bottom. It will say either everyone or the name of a specific person depending on whether you're sending a message to the whole group or privately. This is a small detail that makes a big difference, so confirm it's going where you intend. Now, look at the lower part of the chat window for the GIF option. You'll see a small button labeled GIF near the message box, typically next to the emoji or file icons. Click that to open Zoom's built-in GIF Picker. If you don't see the GIF button, it may be turned off by your organization, or you might need to update your Zoom app. With the GIF Picker open, browse the collection or type a keyword in the search bar to narrow down your options. Think about the tone you want. Celebratory for a win, a thumbs up for quick approval, or something light to break the ice. Keep it concise and readable. GIFs loop automatically, so subtle animations tend to work better in professional settings. Take a second to preview the motion and make sure it supports the message you're sending, rather than distracting from it. When you've found the right one, click the GIF to place it into your chat message field, then press Enter or click Send. Watch for a brief confirmation as it appears in the chat. If you realize it went to the wrong recipient or doesn't fit the moment, check whether your meeting allows deleting your own messages. If so, you can quickly remove it and try again. That's all it takes. Open the chat, tap the GIF button, choose the perfect animation, and send. Practice once or twice, and you'll be ready to add just the right flair to your next Zoom meeting.